have to wake up. I just don't feel like working out. Ring! On my phone. TikTok, they say they're going to be banned. Oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. Well, I'm kind of hungry, so let's go. Why is there people in my place? Did I have a party without me knowing? My sister have a party. Let's go to Target. Wee. Thank you, taxi. Thank you for taking me to Target. Sorry, I can spell. Bye. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm going to show you guys how beautiful it looks. Oh my gosh, Target looks amazing. I'm poor. I only have one more. I can't even stop. I want a sushi. Ooh, wait, does it have that thing? No, I could. No! I could do it. Can I jump? See if I can jump. No! Okay, I wanted to steal these items. Okay. How much is this? Hairspray. It looks good. Some lip gloss, and that's all. Yeah. Here's stick a minute. Maybe I could get something for a card for my friend. Yes, I never seen my friend in a while. She is very sick. She does not have a coronavirus. By the way, it's not real life, okay? It's just a role play. Okay, Ooh, maybe I could try on this outfit. No PlayStation. Don't look at it. Don't even try it. No one can make it. It's going to rent me. I did click on you. Did I do what do you? I am not that's that. Okay, whatever. Oh, don't. I do not see a unicorn. I see a unicorn. Bro. What are these? Are these Roblox? I want to see if you can get a Roblox card. Ooh, some candy. I want some candy. But I'm too broke, unfortunately. Let's just get this. Then let's go. Where are the police? I want to see if someone will come if I just steal these. But I'm not. I'm going to pay back. Stealing. Run back. Yes. We are both stealing. I did not steal. I'm going to pay. I'm about to go pay. Yeah. I don't want to keep on having this thing in my head just because I just steal. But I'm going to pay back. I'm going to pay. I'm gonna play. Nice. They grow, so you gotta chill down. Okay. How much is this? Yes, $7. We're going cheap. We're going expensive. Okay, at least give me a. Well, at least I get some red lipstick. Yeah, and then I get a toy, a TikTok toy. Spray in your eyes. I don't know what to do, so let's go back to my room. Taxi, what were you thinking? I said home, not mall. Ugh, so stupid. No, he just ran off. Well, I guess I could do a little shopping. Oh, Justice, no way. We have to be stealing. Just kidding, we buy. Oh, yes, this is cute, girl. Yes, no. I'm just trying on $1 million outfit. Thank you. Okay, she just gave me my bag. All those things I tried on because you have to. Oh, what? Wait, did it just boys are going into the Please, are you boys? Are you boys? I was about to say, a boy and the girl area? Freaky. Maybe let's look around. I'm just kidding. I don't know why I'm singing. Ooh, I like these. We gotta buy it. Okay. Let's go. Thank you. She just gave me my clothing. Ooh. Snooks. Dude, this is disturbing. Let's go buy some clothing. Let's go before anyone sees me like this. Ooh, some Gucci clothes. Yes, I'm about to buy this one. Yes. No, yes. Okay, let's ask her. Oh, I guess we can just take it. There's no thing. Okay, I'm looking. No, I want. What clothing should I have? Yes, no. Yes, queen. She's looking pretty. Yes. Yeah. had a shirt on. Ooh, what about this shoe? Okay, let's go pay. Hi. Thank you. Wow. Let's see. By the way, Cassidy did not really actually cough. She faked coughed. If you want to know that she faked coughed. Back to the video. Wow! Whoa, this is so cute. So cute. Well, let's ask her if I can have this outfit. Hello, thank you. Okay, I got my outfit. I like it. Yeah, let's try this game. Yes, no. Yes, queen. Okay, let's go buy it. Actually, let's buy a shirt. Okay, let's go buy it. Hi. Thanks. My bag is getting full. I think I should shop at every store. I should just look. Ooh. Well, let's hurry. I only have 3 minutes left. Of 2-ish. Mom would be expecting me to be home. Wow. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye.